Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review. Last 2 months more I'm using this device. How is it my experience? This device worth to buy 1,05,000 mobile. It's really high price, right? Okay, this device advantages and disadvantages everything review in this video. First I'm look the phone display quality, then the camera setup and 8K and 100 megapixel camera how does it work and camera features, then gaming perform Exynos 990 processor how does it run gaming, finally battery. It charge time fast or slow. Everything review in this video. So guys don't skip the video and you have planned to buy Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. First to watch this video then go and buy. First look the phone display. Display comes with 6.9 inches QHD resolution 2K AMOLED display. Its quality is really good. AMOLED display no more problem. You watch movie or playing games, display quality is really amazing. Display wise Note 20 Ultra it's fine. Refresh rate. This device normally runs 60 Hz. You want to change 120 Hz. It is adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate. Compared to other devices, you watching YouTube or play songs, it's fully run on 120 Hz. But this Note 20 Ultra, you went to 120 Hz perform means you play high definition games, it's automatically change 120 Hz. Otherwise, you play songs or watching movies, it's down 60 Hz. Display top center side, tiny punch hole here inside front facing camera. Also face unlocking very fast and much smooth. Display bottom side, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner here. It's also working good. Compared to Galaxy S10 Plus, it's little bit fingerprint scanner move on up. Anyways, this person is perfectly fit on your hands. Also unlocking speed is really good. Phone running on Android 10 based in Samsung One UI 2.5. UI wise is really best and fast because OnePlus 80 also copying this One UI. Maybe you know, right? Okay, gaming wise, this device comes with Exynos 990. It is biggest disappointment because last model Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus Ultra, those phones come with same Exynos 990. It's not bad processor, it is also flagship processor, but compared to Snapdragon, it is useless because Galaxy Note 20 Ultra come with US and China, it's Snapdragon 865 Plus, but other region only Exynos 990, no upgraded, nothing big else. It's same chip. Gaming ways, I'm play a lot of different games, Call of Duty, PUBG, some like games, but every games run quite good. But PUBG only I'm play with maximal setting HDR and Ultra. I got lot of time frame drops. Opinion, Yuri gamer, you went to best gaming phone. It is not worth to buy for you. Let's jump on to the camera department. Phone backside triple camera setup here. Main camera 108 megapixel, second 60mm ultra wide. Last one 12 megapixel pyroscope camera, 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. First time I'm by this device, this camera bump is little bit ugly feeling, but day by day go, but it's looking. I really love this camera bump. More laser focus sensor and one flashlight here. Last model Galaxy S10 Plus bigger issue focusing problem, but now this laser focus fixed every focus problems. Let's move on to the camera view. Okay, normally this device takes shots on 12 megapixel. You want to change 108 megapixel. It is 1 is 12 pixel pending method to take 108 megapixel shots. Camera view ways is really good. Camera ways I really love this device because AI function is really best and fuse. Also, this video department, this device support 8K 30 fps footage. Stability is not bad compared to other devices because it is not 4K, it is 8K. So more lot of features here: Pro mode, panorama foot, and Pro video mode. What is the Pro video mode? Yuri the vlogger, it's best phone for you because you want to control your phone mic control. You record one footage, you want to control your phone top or bottom mic, otherwise Bluetooth, wireless mic, everything control your cameraman. It's really good. I love this feature. Battery wise, this device comes with 4500 mAh battery. It's Exynos 990, no heating issues, but battery drain is really very poor. Yes guys, per day I'm 2 time charge this device. Camera good, but processor is downgraded. It's not best for gaming. Battery also very poor. You want to buy good camera phone? You want to buy this device. Otherwise, you want to all-in-one gaming camera, display, battery. It is not worth for you. Mostly everyone do not buy this Note 20 Ultra. It is useless for you.